Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Another food craving has hit, so this morning I am making French toast. The temperature is dropping and the leaves are finally turning color. This marks the start of my favorite season. A fresh reset as we hit the home stretch for the last bit of the year. I don't know if any of you guys feel this way, but it feels like life keeps tumbling forward and it's hard to take a pause or even catch a breath. The perpetual exhaustion I've been feeling all year has finally caught up to me. I'm finding myself fighting for downtime so I can properly recharge. So days where I can be home, present with Juno, and having a home-cooked meal has been the moments of peace I've been yearning for. Good morning. I am off to celebrate one of my friend's birthdays. It is a surprise birthday for her, but first I need to pick up the food that we'll be having tonight. Lately, I've been loving just using a tinted sunscreen. Let me show you what it looks like. This is the sunscreen that I've been using, and I got this when I went to Korea. This is the Round Lab Birch Juice Moisturizing Tone Up Sunscreen, and I absolutely love it. It's not like super high coverage, but it's enough to cover my blemishes, and then I just put on a little bit of concealer around my eye bags, and I'm good to go. I've been really loving this. And then Juno's just chilling right over there, enjoying the beautiful fall weather. So day one hair and curling is
not a good mix.
I'm going to make myself a matcha because I haven't had a matcha in over 2 weeks because I've been on a strict
diet, self-control regimen.
Cool. Oh my god, that is so good. I kid you not, guys. Cutting out matcha was so hard. Cheers to my first matcha in 2.5 weeks. I love coming to Hambo for their beef kalgutsu. It's definitely my go-to, but a very underrated item is their kimchi. You can actually purchase their kimchi in tubs, and I love the spice level of it, and it's just so delicious. Okay, it is currently 8:44 p.m. I wasn't feeling hungry earlier, so I figured I was just gonna eat a banana and call it a night. But lo and behold, I was watching mukbangs.
And now I'm hungry.
Let's make a quick dinner. Good old Costco. This is a terrible job, but I am hungry and it's late. This is as good as it's gonna get. I love getting this on my lazy days just because it's so cheap at Costco. I wouldn't say it's healthy. I mean, it's like healthy-ish. Now I'm just gonna save all the bones and everything. And I'm basically going to make congee with it. So I'm actually making a lot of use out of this. I think eventually I do want to try making chicken pho. That is definitely on my list because I absolutely love chicken pho. I think that will be the next new recipe that I will try. I'm also the biggest klutz. I do always hurt myself. Because the last time that happened, I dropped an entire pot, and basically as I was throwing out the trash with all the glass in it, I cut myself really hard and now have this massive scar on my leg, which is not pretty. Okay, I think that's as good as I'm gonna get with this. I'm gonna put this away. Nothing hits better than just a simple dashi broth udon, chicken, veggies, fish balls. Good morning. Today is a Wednesday and it is my errands day. I have so many errands to run today. So I figured I'm just gonna make myself a nice hearty meal and then I'm gonna go to the gym and do all my errands. Basically, I have a ton of ingredients to use up. So I'm just gonna do my fried udon. I just think it's like the simplest thing that I can make relatively quickly. So let's get started. Okay, I just finished at the gym. I think it's been a minute since I've been to the Good Life gym and I just got so annoyed. People don't put their weights back where they're supposed to and people just like leave their canned drinks on the machine so it looks like it's occupied when it's not. Anyways, yeah, just minor inconveniences. But I'm gonna go to Chinook and grab a few things. definitely tried very hard to shop when I was trying on a bajillion things. But now I'm just gonna head home and just chill out because it's been a busy morning. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I feel so tired from running around all day. I'm like in this really weird space where I love efficiency. Like, I don't know if you guys feel this way. Efficiency for me just makes my day. When everything flows smoothly, if I plan on my day for errands and
Everything goes as planned.
I absolutely love that. I almost feel guilty when I'm not hyper productive. The feeling of burnout, I've been trying to let myself just, enjoy slowing it down, but whether it's work or personal, I almost feel like I'm always losing in this race. So yeah, I am definitely feeling exhausted. I'm trying to remind myself that it's so okay to take it slow. And this is what I've been trying to remind myself all year, is that it's okay to take a step back and enjoy life a bit more.
But yeah,
I definitely have those days where I know I can do it. I'm okay with today, for instance. I knew was going to be a super productive day. I intended to have this day off to knock down all the things that I wanted to do. Oh my gosh, you're slight. Yeah, today was a day where I knew I was going to knock down so many things off my to-do list. I'm trying to figure it out. I'm still trying to figure out this balance thing because I feel like I feed off productive energy, and if I'm potatoing for too long or I'm out of routine, that freaks me out. I have a very specific routine that I do every morning and every night before bed. There are certain things that I have to do in order to sleep peacefully. I don't know if it's a good thing. I look forward to fall because of hibernate a little bit more, focus on the certain things that I want to focus on. And one of those things is definitely recharging my social battery. It's been a challenge all summer, and I think not even all summer. I feel like all year was crazy. Yeah, I was crumbling. I'm tired, so I think I'm just going to, it's only 5:00, but I think I'm going to shower and get cozy. Maybe nap. I don't know. Maybe I'll nap. Maybe I'll just watch some TV. But yeah, that is it. Yeah, I might actually just try to nap. Ugh. See you in a bit.